Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to install the latest Windows 11 252 official cumulative update package number KB506683. If you are using the official Windows 11 25H2 version, then you can install this update through the official Windows Update channel. Go to the official Windows Update channel in the Settings menu and just click Search or Update. In my system, it's already installed, and I need to restart the system to complete the update process. You can also get the Microsoft Audio Processing Driver update in the optional update page with the 25H2 update. Maybe the optional update varies from the laptop or system manufacturer model. Select the optional update and click on Download and Install. Now it will start the downloading process, which will take a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. After completing the download process, it will automatically start the installation process. And you just need to restart the system to complete the updating process. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.